Starting your own hydroponic garden is an exciting and rewarding endeavor that allows you to grow plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions. To begin, you'll need to choose a hydroponic system that suits your space and budget, such as the simple deep water culture, DWC, or the more advanced nutrient film technique, NFT. Gather essential equipment like grow lights, a water pump, and a nutrient solution tailored to the plants you wish to grow. Select crops that thrive in hydroponic systems, such as leafy greens, herbs, and strawberries. Begin by setting up your system in a location with adequate light and temperature control, and ensure that your plants receive the right balance of nutrients, water, and oxygen. Regularly monitor the pH levels and adjust them as necessary to maintain optimal growing conditions. With patience and attention, your hydroponic garden can flourish, providing fresh produce while minimizing the need for pesticides and reducing water usage. Hydroponic farming, the practice of growing plants without soil by using nutrient-rich water solutions, is increasingly being recognized as a pivotal advancement in agriculture, often dubbed the future of farming. By utilizing controlled environments, hydroponics allows for year-round cultivation, maximizing crop yields and reducing the use of pesticides and herbicides. Moreover, it offers the potential to significantly conserve water resources, as the closed systems recycle water, using up to 90% less than conventional farming. As urban areas continue to expand and the global population grows, hydroponic farming presents a viable solution for producing fresh, nutritious food locally, minimizing the carbon footprint associated with transportation, and contributing to food security worldwide. As technology advances and costs decrease, hydroponics is poised to revolutionize the agricultural landscape, making it a key player in the sustainable future of food production. Absolutely, starting a project or business from home can be both practical and rewarding. With the rise of remote work and digital tools, even a small corner of your living space can be transformed into a productive hub. Begin by identifying a designated area in your home, whether it's a spare room, a nook, or even a well-organized section of your living room. Optimize this space by ensuring it is well lit and free from distractions. Use vertical storage solutions to maximize limited space, and invest in multifunctional furniture that can adapt to your needs. Remember, the key to success isn't the size of your space, but the creativity and dedication you bring to it. With the right mindset and tools, you can effectively launch and grow your endeavor right from the comfort of your home.